Welcome to our JetTech videos. Today we'll be demonstrating the HP 950, 951, and 932, 933 refill kit. The HP 950, 951, and 932, 933 cartridges are almost identical. They both have the internal air bladder, and the exit port and chips are in the same location. When the 932, 933 is laid on top of the 950, 951, you can see that the cartridges are the same functionally, but the 932, 933 cartridges are just shorter and hold less ink. The refill kit comes with two different types of needles. The first one we will look at is the cannula needle. The cannula needle is a dual side port needle, so the fluid ejects from the sides instead of the tip, as seen here. This needle is for filling the cartridges. Its design allows for it to bypass the ball plug when inserted into the exit port, allowing air to escape as ink is injected. The second needle we will look at is the plastic needle tip. The only setup needed to use the kit is to punch holes in the needle tip about 1/8 of an inch from the tip of the needle. Use a thumbtack to punch the holes, one on each side, as shown here. This needle is used to prime the cartridge. The tapered design forms a seal in the exit port, and the tip gently presses the ball plug down, allowing you to draw ink through the holes that you punched. To fill the cartridges, first place the plastic needle tip that you punched holes in on the 10 milliliter syringe. Holding the cartridge with the exit port at the bottom, insert the tip into the exit port and pull back on the plunger to remove any excess ink. Next, connect the cannula needle to the 20 milliliter syringe. Now fill the syringe with the designated amount of ink for the cartridge you are filling. Make sure the exit port of the cartridge is facing up as shown. Insert the needle into the exit port of the cartridge at a slight angle as shown here, and inject the cartridge with ink. If you feel pressure on the plunger or ink is not filling the cartridge, release the plunger and reposition the needle. The last and most important step is to prime the cartridge. Use the 10 milliliter syringe with the plastic needle tip and insert into the cartridge while the exit port is facing up, and pull back on the plunger until you see ink start to fill the syringe. The cartridge is now filled, primed, and ready for use. Once empty, the ink cartridges depleted box will pop up on the computer screen. The cartridge must then be removed and replaced with another refilled cartridge. The empty cartridge that was removed cannot be refilled and returned to the printer. This is why two sets of cartridges are required when using refills. The cartridges must be leapfrogged, so to speak, always being replaced with the other refilled cartridge. Printer models that have an LCD screen will display the following screen message when a refilled cartridge is used. This will happen each time a cartridge is inserted into the printer. Press OK for each screen. In addition, for each cartridge replaced, an on-screen dialog box will pop up on the computer screen. The first screen is the counterfeit screen. Do not press yes on this screen, as it might render the cartridges useless. Press no and continue. The next screen is what we call a scare message, declaring that the warranty, etc. will be void if not using HP ink. Just click on OK. The HP 950, 951, 932, 933 refill kit from our JetTech comes with all you see here and includes OCP inks from Germany for the best quality prints. To order, visit us online at www.rjettech.com or give us a call at 1-800-688-0129.